So, for today's live, morning dear, hello dear. Ano muna tayo? I don't wanna fall here. Hello, good morning. Kas pala yung araw natin, puro na tayo ulan. Tell me I'm not breaking my heart. Don't wanna go back. Baby, my love, my heart is hurt. Hello to our 7 viewers. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Mag-watch tayo ng fish that. Breaking my heart. Alam, bukas muna ako ng plato. Para, alam mo yun, walang... Yeah, wala gusto. Guys, you can comment anything you want to say. You're gonna want to have a morning temperate with me. Yeah. Let's go. Message me on my WhatsApp. Hello, Jose. Hi, Robsy. Hello, good morning. Good morning to me. I don't know what. So I went into the market a while ago. Hi, babe. Hi, Andrea Kamsa. Hello. Good morning. Guys, please give me a like and comment a lot. I have tilapia and sapsap, small fish. So I'm gonna start with the tilapia because it's already clean. Yeah, already clean. Clean na siya nga eh. Wait guys, I'm going to get a ziploc. Saludos. Hello, how are you, sir? How are you, señorito? Señorito. Huh?